The 3D printing company EnvisionTEC has announced a brand new material that is designed for 3D printing footwear. The company will soon be commencing beta testing on a material known as eSure. This is a polyurethane-like material that produces a final material with a soft Sure value in the 40-50 range. The material is durable and tear-resistant as well as waterproof and comfortable to wear. All these properties make it ideal for the manufacturing of customized 3D printed footwear. Professional sports could be the first to take advantage of 3D printing's customization possibilities. Another company, Dental Crafters, is due to look into 3D printing technology to offer the highest precision models possible to patients. Moving into the next generation, Dental Crafters will be making use of a printing system provided by French company Prodways. According to Brad Slominski, the co-owner of Dental Crafters, the company wanted to stay true to their high-quality standards. Because of this, Dental Crafters chose the ProMarker L5000 D for its high volume and precise accuracy sustained over time. Recently there has been a major collaboration announced by the Canadian company Aspect Biosystems. They will be teaming up with researchers from German company InScreenX and their compatriots and the Fraunhofer Institute for Toxicology and Experimental Medicine to further develop its current 3D bioprinting systems. A wide range of potential applications can be expected between the companies. The company will be able to apply bioprinting technology to create novel tissues that can be used to improve the reliability of preclinical toxicity testing and could lead to the development of improved therapeutics. As you can see, companies like 3DChoose.com are just one of many looking into 3D printing.